Hi, my name is Veronica Barajas with mywigglesandgiggles.com, and I'd like to share with you some safety issues in child care centers. So there is a long list of safety issues that you can, humor yourself with all day. Some of the top ones that I'm going to touch base with are number one safety issue is, of course, the safety of your children. You want to make sure that they're accounted for every second of the day. A lot of the times we can find kids who are, sad to say, nothing that I've experienced personally, but I've heard horror stories of, kids being left out on the playground or kids being locked in the bathroom or, children being picked up without being signed out and didn't know who picked up, or parents not knowing what's going on. So making sure that you know what is going on with each individual child is definitely top of safety issues. And then another one is I have a small checklist of facility maintenance. Basically, some of the safety issues that you want to really look over are cribs, bedding, playground maintenance, safety gates, where children are allowed to go to. Want to check your windows, clothing, things like that. So make sure you always look at recalled products. Those are some of the biggest things. If you keep on top of that, when the state comes in to inspect and they catch you with products that are no longer, on the shelf, that could be a big violation. So, like I said, some of the things that I touch over, playground maintenance is one of the biggest ones as well. These kids are playing outside every day, and you want to make sure that they're not stumbling over things or cutting themselves on sharp edges, things like that. So playground is definitely a big safety issue. And then, nap time, stuff like that. Make sure that your cribs are met with national safety standards. They're good condition. They have a good safety seal, things like that. So those are some of just the things that I would check on a daily basis, on top of, being accountable for every child that's in care. So safety should be one of your top concerns, and going over safety checklist daily is probably a good recommendation. So stay on top of that, because it can get you in a lot of trouble, maybe even shut down your daycare if you're not on top of those safety issues.